Greetings. I'm Richard Gale, Director of Camosun Innovates.
And I'm Nicolas Vazquez Conde, and today we will be catching up with the Camosun Innovates team. Richard, what was the last year been like during the pandemic?
It has been a very intense year with lots of good work. We've been focusing mainly, of course, on island health and supporting them through our face masks and through our UV sterilization oven for N95 masks. But really, we've been trying to also support the larger industrial and business growth of the Lower Island. As you know, we support the entire business endeavor here in Victoria, and fortunately, we've been able to stay open during the pandemic and take care of pretty much all comers.
Where do you see Camosun Innovates going in the future?
Such a good question. A lot of the work that we do is focused on our students, on their learning, on having our teachers support their learning, and so we continue to do a lot of work on curriculum, especially during the remote learning period. We also are seeing a lot of industries use this time to gear up, to change their focus, to innovate in their own practices, and we're hoping to support that as much as possible.
What excites you about the work here?
Boy, there's so many things. It's working with good people more than anything else. It's a great team, both the college team and the Camosun Innovates team. We do good work. We answer a lot of questions. We solve a lot of problems, and we really try to make the world a better place. And who can argue with that?
Thanks, Richard. And that has been a catch-up of the Camosun Innovates team.